Hello, I'm Dr. Daniela Stan, Medical Director of the Breast Cancer Survivorship Program at Mayo Clinic in Rochester, Minnesota. Welcome to the yoga series Living Beyond Breast Cancer. This program has been designed to improve the range of motion and mobility after breast cancer surgery. The exercises in this video include movements of the shoulders, spine, and legs. Abdominal muscles will be used to stabilize your core, and arms will bear weight. Bending forward postures are also included. To safely perform these exercises, you should be cleared to activity by your surgical team. If you have cancer involving your spine or other bones, these exercises may not be safe for you. The video sessions were designed by a team of medical professionals in close collaborations with experienced yoga instructors. Modifications of poses will be offered throughout each session. It is important to adjust your poses to your personal level of comfort and stability. Props may include yoga mats, blocks, blankets, and bolsters. Alternatively, you can use pillows or towels to relieve pressure of the joints. It is recommended to use a yoga mat and perform the sequences with bare feet. Having a warm, quiet, and open environment can also be helpful. We hope you find these exercises helpful to your overall well-being and recovery.
Hello, my name is Jenny. I'm a physical therapist. I'm joined with Anna and Kayla. This is the first video in the yoga series, Living Beyond Breast Cancer. We are going to start with some simple shoulder stretching exercises. So we're going to start in the laying back position. So lay down, bending your knees so that your feet are flat on the ground, and place your hands on your belly and just settle yourself down into the ground, focusing on your gentle breathing in and out. As you settle your breath into slow, deep breaths, take your abdominal muscles, tighten them, pressing your low back down into the floor and holding. 3, 2, 1, and relax. And doing the same, press with your shoulder blades this time. Open your chest, press your shoulder blades into the floor. 3, 2, 1, and release. And now doing both motions at the same time, tightening it down, your abdominal muscles, pressing your low back down into the mat, and then pressing your shoulder blades down. 3, 2, 1, and relax. Starting with just a gentle hip opener, take your right ankle and place it across your left knee. If you want to just push your knee down to get a hip stretch, that's fine. Or lift your left leg up, grabbing your leg behind the knee on the thigh and bringing your left knee towards your chest as you stretch out the right hip, relaxing all the muscles in your lower body. And then bringing your left foot back down, uncrossing your legs, switching so that now the left ankle is over the right knee, either staying here and just pressing down into your left knee, or grabbing on to your right thigh and bringing that towards your chest with the left leg just going along for the ride, stretching out your hips. And then go ahead and bring your legs back again. Uncrossing your legs, we're going to start with some gentle shoulder mobilization. You're going to raise your arms straight up over your head, Raising your arms all the way up, trying to bring your thumbs all the way back to the floor, and then bring them back down again. Repeating the motion, maybe going a little farther, raising your arms up. And then drawing your arms back down at your side. And doing that one more time, bringing your arms up, fingers towards the ceiling, now thumbs back to the floor. And then back down again. You will be coming out in a T position. To set yourself up for that, bring your fingertips towards the ceiling. And then gently swan dive your arms down until your elbows are on the floor and straighten out your arms. If this is too much of a stretch, go ahead and grab blocks so that you are relaxing and resting against the block in a position that's comfortable for you. Drop your knees to the left side, twisting the lower half of your body, increasing the stretch on the right front of your shoulder. Holding for a nice stretch. Bringing your knees back to the center. At this point, you can choose to do the same side again or the other side. If you're doing the other side, dropping your knees to the right side, twisting your lower body so that you feel a stretch on your left shoulder. Relaxing, resting your arms down into the floor. Feeling that stretch all the way across from your shoulder to your hip. Then coming back to the center. If you were in a T, we're going to try doing that into more of a Y. Bring your palms straight up in the air, palms together, fingers towards the ceiling. And this time when you swan dive down into a bit more of a Y, stretching your elbows all the way straight if you can. If you cannot, go as far as comfortable, resting your arms against a block or a blanket or the floor, dropping your knees over to one side, feeling a stretch all the way through that shoulder. Bringing your arms or your legs back to the center now, and then dropping your knees to the opposite side, or if you choose the same side, if you would like to get a stretch more to one side than the other. Back to the center, bring your arms back to the center of yourself. We are now going to roll over onto our right side. So position your one arm underneath your head with your left arm straight out in front of you. And what we're going to do is pull back like we're opening up an arrow, bending your elbow, and then straightening out your left arm. Then come back, closing that hook, straight down again. And once again, open up, bend your elbow like you're drawing an arrow, straighten out your elbow, and then bring your arm all the way back down again, closing that hook. And then finally, once again, bending your elbow, opening up your arm, straightening out your left elbow. This time coming all the way around like a rainbow over your head. And then one more time with a straight elbow this time. Open your arm up like a hook, twisting your upper body, opening up your left side of your shoulder. And then bringing your arm all the way across like a rainbow, and then back down again. Take your left hand and bring it to the top of your head. Take your palm, place it anywhere that's comfortable on your head so that your elbow is bent. And then draw your elbow back until you feel a gentle stretch onto your chest. Opening up that shoulder. And then coming back to a position of relaxation. Turning all the way now over to the other side. Laying with your arm on underneath your head. If you would like to do this on the same side again, that's just fine. Starting with that right arm in front of you, straight. Bend your elbow back like you're drawing open an arrow, and then straighten out that right elbow. Close the book back again. And then once again, bend the right elbow, opening up your arm straight. And then closing that book. And again, bending your elbow back, straightening out your elbow. And this time we're going to go all the way around our head like a rainbow. And then keeping your elbow straight this time. Opening up that book, opening up the right side of your shoulder, all the way out. And then bring your arm all the way around like a rainbow. And the shoulder opener. Finish, place your palm on the top of your head with your elbow bent. And then draw that elbow back, opening up your shoulder, getting a nice stretch onto the front of that shoulder on the right side. And then coming back to a position of relaxation. And then when you're ready, meeting at sitting. Take a moment to reset your posture up nice and tall. Taking a nice deep breath. Take your right arm and place your right palm behind you. Then look towards your right palm. Place your left hand on your right knee. And look behind you, using your abdominal muscles to help twist your body back. Looking over that right shoulder. And then coming back to the center. Doing the same thing on the other side, taking your left hand, placing this behind you, placing your right hand on your left knee, turning your belly all the way back, using your abdominal muscles to help press, looking backwards. And then that stretch all the way through your neck, and then coming back. Doing this now with a little bit of assist, bring your legs out straight in front of you. Bend your left knee and take your left elbow and place that on the inside part of your left knee. This time, use your left elbow to help bring yourself back in that rotation, tenting your right hand behind you to support your body, feeling that nice twist in through your spine, trying to keep your head pointing straight up to the ceiling. Holding. 3, 2, 1. And then coming back to the center, straightening out your legs. This time bending your right knee, taking your right elbow to the inside aspect of that right knee. Once again, taking that left hand all the way behind you, tenting your fingers to support yourself, pressing with that right elbow to assist with that twist, keeping your head up towards the ceiling so that your spine is straight, looking over that left shoulder, just as far as comfortable. 3, 2, 1. Back to the center. And then finishing here, seated, your legs crossed in position. Bring your arms, sweep them up over the top of your head. Meet your palms at the very top. And then lengthen your left side body. Leaning over to the right. Taking a nice breath in and out. And then coming back to the left side. Drawing the right side of your body long. Leaning over to the left side. And then coming back to the center again. Placing your hands on your knees. Now that you're stretched, sit up as tall as you can. Settle your shoulder blades down. Relaxing your shoulders. Placing your head over your shoulders. Taking some nice deep breaths with your eyes closed. Feeling upright and balanced. And take a moment of gratitude for the time spent taking care of your shoulders today.